Leading is the fourth management function. What is leading? This function is about paying attention to productivity and make sure that it's going efficiently. Human interaction is very important for this function. In fact, a manager must motivate, inspire, and communicate with his or her personnel. Meeting and connecting with the employees is very important to evaluate how the tasks in question are going. Leading's number one quality is leadership. In fact, a good manager will know how to lead his or her team by inspiring the employees to work towards the organizational goals. There has to be a sense of friendship and mutual respect. The task will be achieved better if the team feels that they are supported, inspired, and listened to. How to lead. So there are 4 steps to lead. First, supervision. 2, communication. 3, motivation. And 4, leadership. So how I lead in my business. So first of all, supervision. I will be supervising by being present with my employees. I'll be working with them all day long, so I'm going to get to see how they are working and if what they are doing is correct. And once again, the situation is temporary, so evaluation reports will not be necessary. Communication. I like to communicate with my employees very much and know how they feel, so I'll be working with them and they'll be able to communicate with me. I also see them more, I want them to see me more as a friend than a boss in general. So I feel like they don't have a hard time speaking to me and letting me know what is going on if there is an issue. And I'm an easy person to talk to, and I'm really there for my employees and I respect them a lot. For motivation, motivating employees is a big part of being a good leader. The times we're living are very difficult, and some people have need more encouragement to face this situation. Knowing this, I'll try to be there as much as possible with my employees and really motivate them every day. I'll be able to encourage them and congratulate them when they're doing a good job. I want them to think that they're coming to work to have fun and not to disappoint. I want them to have fun, not the contrary. And since the store will be closed, it might be a good idea to put some music, eat snacks, and maybe even drink a little wine. For leadership, I'm really more of a leader. Instead of telling my employees how to work, I really want to come and work with them. I want to show them that I'll be there no matter what, and that everybody has to give an effort in situations like these. So for now, a little interaction. So my question is, how will I be supervising my employees? A, watching them on the camera. B, hiring a spy. C, working with them. Or D, asking one of the other employees to supervise. The answer is C. Now, if you go on to the next section, you'll see the last section, which is controlling. Thank you.